people have been left here. I have personally seen cases where, I've called a family saying that this person is in a medical emergency. Will you at least come to the hospital to meet? And they have said no. There was a case where a father had to probably lose his leg, and the daughter said, I do not have money, I will not come to the hospital to see you. These are old age guys. If you look, they're disabled. You can see the condition. This particular home that we are in, we also serve meals. So lunch is provided by our sponsors. So every day there's a new sponsor who gives us the money, and a proper meal is given to them. To be very honest, to get one meal to them also is getting difficult. There are, for example, out here there are 60 people. One home has 90 people. One home has around 60 people. Another 15. So the number of people that we are looking at, and to make sure that they have proper 2 meals, that is currently our main focus right now. We want to start the food distribution, which is the main initiative that Encompass has. We are just waiting for the situation to kind of become better in terms of the risk factor with the hotel being hygienic and the food being supplied to them. So these are the 2 things we are majorly concentrating. That is the food factor of it, supplying groceries to these homes.
When COVID hit us, it was new for all of us. We've been on ground for disaster work with Kerala when the floods happened. But over there, we were putting ourselves at risk. Here, there was always the risk of infecting somebody else, knowingly, unknowingly, whatever. And, the economy was so bad that once, for the initial lockdown, it's from then that we've been on the, streets with food distribution, provision kits, etc. But once our regular sponsors, kind of ran out, we were actually stumped. We didn't know what to do for funds. So that's when what we did was we started working with a lot of other NGOs as well, because we realized that collaboration is the key. Alone we can probably only do so much, but together, if 3-4 NGOs combine together, we could actually reach out to a lot more people.
So we help them with their medicals, we help them with, if there are any surgeries that are required. These are the cases we are talking about, right? These guys need the support. So there is COVID, there is it's a situation we are dealing with. We can only ensure that they get their meals on time at least, so that they stay healthy.
It's more than just a meal, it's the ray of hope. It's the fact that someone cares. And COVID, I think all of us are dealing with our own fear, but how do we overcome that? How do we make our faith stronger? Reach out and tell people that, hey, there is hope, there is faith, things will get better. So I think that's what our aim is through Encompass.